Install the mounting screw into the upper side of the door. Make sure the screw is tightened. Do the same to the lower side of the door. Position the handle so its holes line up with the pre-installed screws. Secure the handle using the provided hex key. Do the same to the lower side. Door handle installation is completed. Remove the clipper first, fully insert the pipe, and then reinstall the clipper. Connect the drain pipe to the draining port. After plugging in, the display will light up and show the actual internal temperature. The power indicator will flash, indicating that the unit is in standby mode. Press the on-off button on the control panel. The ice-making procedure begins. First, the water shortage symbol will be on. Once there's enough water running through the machine, it will go off. Press on-off again to shut down the unit. Press and hold the plus button for more than 5 seconds to switch the temperature unit automatically. Press the timer button into time setting mode. Then press plus and minus buttons on the control panel to adjust time. The setting ranges from 1 hour to 24 hours. When the unit is running, it can set up the timing for shutdown. When the unit is in standby mode, you can set the unit with on timer. If you want to cancel the timer, just set the timer to 0 hours. Press Time Clean button on the control panel for more than 5 seconds to enter self-cleaning program. The corresponding indicator will light up. You can press the on and off button to cancel the program. When the ice tank is full, the ice full indicator will light up. Remove the ice. The unit will start making ice again.